Hey friends, today in this video I will show you how we can move multiple computers as per their names inside any specific OU. So this is a scenario in my Active Directory where I just created multiple OUs as per their location like Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi, and similarly other OU, that is computers. Now we have multiple computers like PC01, HYD, MUM. So we just created these computers as per their location like Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. Now we just want to move these all computers as per their location based. Suppose if we have a computer that is PC01 HYD, it means this machine should be moved inside the Hyderabad OU. So this will be easier for us to manage the systems, as well as also we can assign the policy as per their location based. Now we have a PowerShell script that will help you to move these all computers as per their location based. So I'm going to open the PowerShell script which I just created on the request of a subscriber on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to open this. I just assign the name, that is computer movement. Now I'm going to explain you each and everything by very first line, that is $computers. This is a variable where I'm just calling the computers using the command that is get ed computers filter. So this will filter all computers in my Active Directory. That's why I used a asterisk value over here. You can see. Now I'm using a for each loop, and in this loop I'm just calling the values from computers variable into computer variable. So this is a variable which is just calling the values from this variable. Now I'm just picking the name inside the $computer name. So this will just pick the name of all computers which is called inside this computer variable. Now this if else loop will just check the values, the computer name. If a computer which is having HYD, so this will just move the computers by using this move AD object command, and the target path will be distinguished name of my Hyderabad OU. Similarly, this will also check other computer name, like if a computer is having Delhi DEL call, so this will move the computers inside the target path which I just mentioned over here. So if you have any other target path or any other conditions, similarly how I just used the location based like HYD, so you can change accordingly in your environment. Now I'm going to execute this PowerShell script. So before executing this PowerShell script, I will show you all OUs in location based OU, that is Hyderabad, Kolkata and Mumbai. Currently these all OU are blank because there is not a single machine is available inside this OU. So what I will do, I will just execute this PowerShell script, and after executing this PowerShell script, this will prompt a message computer move script completed. So now I'm going to execute this. Now I will just cross check this all OU because this PowerShell script has just moved and they just given the message that computer move script completed. Now I will just refresh my Active Directory users and computer snapping. Now you can see one of the computer that is having PC MUM. So name including MUM, that is moved inside the Mumbai OU. Similarly, if you will go on the Kolkata and you will refresh it, so the computer has been also moved inside the Kolkata OU, Hyderabad OU and Delhi as well. So this is the method which you can just follow to just move your computer inside any OU which is based on the conditions including location or something else. So if you just want to just copy this script, so you can visit my blog website, that is infoelias.com, where I just created this blogs, and I just also provided the PowerShell script that help us to move the computer inside your a location based OU. Thank you for watching this video.